Hey y'all, today we are making salmon croquettes. Let's get started. All right, so we are using fresh salmon, about 12 ounces. I am going to squeeze half a lemon over it, and then I'm going to season it. All the seasonings will be listed below. All right, so I am going to season this, and then I am going to toss it in the air fryer just for about 5 minutes so that it can kind of flake up. Oh, I also added a little bit of salt to your liking. I may would suggest half a teaspoon. And then a little bit of parsley. You can add as little or as much as you like. We're going to pop this in the air fryer for about 5 minutes on medium. I'm not sure of the temperature because I just have the one that you turn with the dial. So I'm going to add that in the air fryer, and then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vegetable oil and just slightly soften our vegetables. So I don't want to fry them. I just want them to be a little bit soft. I'm going to cook them about a minute or so. All right, so I'm going to take our salmon and I'm going to just kind of break it apart and remove the skin, and then I'm gonna mix in the veggies that we just softened, and then I want everything to cool for a little bit, and then we will add our next ingredients. So next I'm going to add in 1 egg. I'm going to beat that, and then I'm going to pour it over the cooled salmon. I'm also going to add in half a cup of flour and about a good heaping tablespoon of yellow cornmeal. So I'm going to add vegetable oil to the pan, not a little less than halfway, and let that heat on medium-high. And we're going to form some patties, maybe about 4 or 5, roll them into a ball, and just flatten them out like you would do hamburger. And we're going to fry these on each side for about 3.5 minutes until they're golden brown. And then once you are done, you can plate them with some biscuits. I love them with biscuits. You can add rice if you're eating it at dinner time. For breakfast or brunch, you can use biscuits and hollandaise sauce. But yeah, this is a simple recipe. I'm sure we all grew up on it, but I hope you guys try it. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. I'd appreciate if you guys like this video. Thank you so much for everyone who's liked and shared, and hope you enjoy your day. Bye.